What is this? I call it the pizza drawer. It looks like a tank. That's because it is the same. I bring the combined with pizza and then right here now mechanism. I turn the radiator into an oven and then replace the bullets with a pizza cannon. Also thought that, but you remember, pizza drawers are more powerful than not just full taps. More powerful means more awesome. Yep, on and off. Run away from the shredder. Ah. Say hello to new grade mozzarella. Wow, that was easy. Not so fast, turtle. I no, turtle. Stop it. Here's behind your back, dude. The cheese is so hot. It's burning the plate. Pull back. Stop it. I'm not. I can't even look at my plate. Power it up. Anyone come out there? Here. You're allowed me to listen to cheaper dudes. Move along. Get TMNT. That guy is black and red, dude. Hey, that kid's not a dude. Take out that little baby toy. My baby toy. How's this something like dude? I'm a little baby. Well, you shouldn't play. You shouldn't be playing with one of your toys. This is in a new system. Let's just check. Pop, start resisting. I'm not. I can't even see you pull up an instant system. Drills don't like ancient secrets. Ancient secrets? We're Italian, man. You said it